Ever wished your backyard could be more than just a pretty view? Imagine stepping outside and being greeted by a relaxing melody, blending nature and gentle music. That's what a sound garden is all about. And today, I'll show you exactly how to make one, no matter your space or budget. First off, what is a sound garden? It's a spot outdoors, designed so every breeze, bird, and ripple of water turns into a natural concert. We're talking wind chimes, bubbling fountains, rustling bamboo, and happy birds, all coming together to melt your stress away. And it's not just in your head. Research shows natural sounds can actually lower stress hormones. Let's start with picking the right spot. Look for a cozy corner where you already hear the wind or birds with some sunshine, but away from noisy streets. Even a balcony works if you're clever with your setup. Now, add in natural sound makers. Native plants will call in songbirds. Berry bushes, flowering shrubs, or anything that flutters in the wind is perfect. Next, add a fountain or bird bath. Water not only calms you, but invites wildlife too. And tall grasses or bamboo, they make the softest rustling you'll ever hear. Time for the fun part, musical touches. Hang wind chimes near your favorite chair. Metal chimes ring bright while wood is more mellow. Get creative with DIY instruments like old pots or bamboo pipes for a playful twist. Just think, every breeze is a new song. Make sure to set up a comfy spot to listen. Grab a bench, a hammock, or even a few cushions. Then add soft ground cover like moss or grass, which keeps echoes away and makes everything sound even sweeter. Keep things fresh. Clean your water features, dust your chimes, and trim plants now and then, so your sound garden always feels inviting. And that's it. With a few easy steps, you can turn any outdoor space into a soothing musical retreat. If you love this idea, give me a thumbs up, share it with your garden-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple ways to bring joy and calm into your life. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see y'all next time.